Many homeowners consider full bathroom renovations stressful and costly. At the same time, they want to refresh the look and feel of the bathroom. Besides requiring solid investments, changing ceramic tiling makes a bathroom out of use for a long time, so people often look for renewal options while keeping bathroom tile in place. Bathroom panels. This is an inexpensive and fast way to refresh a bathroom and provide a new, stylish look. Waterproof wall panels help to transform a bathroom in the shortest possible time. Coming in a wide range of textures and colors, shower panels are easy to install. Panels can be installed over almost any surface, such as old tiles, stud walls, or concrete. If you plan to use panels over tiling, the surface is already smooth and flat, so it doesn't require additional leveling. The best thing about panels is that after installation, a bathroom can be used after 24 hours. Replacing fixtures. You can be surprised how new stylish fixtures can change the look. Outdated sanitary equipment and faucets make the entire bathroom seem old-fashioned. Keeping tiling in place, you can install a trendy freestanding bathtub, replace an old toilet with a modern one, or simply change fixtures for more stylish options. The market offers options for any wallet and taste, from vintage sophisticated variants to innovative touchless fixtures. Ready-made shower enclosure. If you wish to renew a bathroom without making it out of service for days or weeks, consider ready-made shower enclosures. They do not require drilling and are very easy to install. Out-of-the-box shower enclosures add more functionality and comfort. Manufacturers offer solutions with front and side access, sliding and fixed panels to fit almost any bathroom layout. Made of tempered glass, modern enclosures feature special treatment to prevent limescale buildup. Accessories. Many homeowners underestimate the power of decorative elements, such as door and drawer knobs, towel hangers, wall luminaires, and lighting fixtures. Actually, many bathroom accessories do not need drilling. They are installed easily using adhesives. Towel rail, roll holder, new robe hooks, soap dispensers, and stylish knobs can help to renovate the overall look of your bathroom. Regrouting tiles. Given the shape and color of the tiling in your bathroom, regrouting can help to change the way the interior looks. In fact, you can even do it yourself. Get the tools to remove the old grout and prepare the new grout. While traditionally the color of grout matches the tile color, for geometric shaped plain tiles you can opt for contrastingly colored grout. Paint, wallpaper. Fresh paint or waterproof wallpaper in a bathroom can drastically change the way a bathroom looks. Modern highly moisture-resistant wallpapers are manufactured in various colors, so you can design walls the way you want very fast. You can simply refresh walls in the same color palette or opt for contrast colors to get a totally new look. As you see, bathroom renovation does not necessarily require huge investments and work. You can ensure a renovated and trendy look by implementing minor changes, from a new shower enclosure and waterproof panels to fresh paint, wallpaper, new fixtures, and accessories. For shower remodel projects, from minor updates to full renovation, contact Groisman Construction, a well-known remodel company in San Diego.